Wait, let's watch this video together.
Omo, e no easy o. Everybody just dey fight for im life on how to survive.
So do you enjoy that video? If you really enjoy that video you just watched right now, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create something like that. Yes, you can create it for free. You can also do so. In this video I'm going to show you right now. So let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method I used to create something like that, the prompt I used with AI, and it generated something like that for me. I'm going to show you right now. But before that, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, do where to go and hit that subscribe button right now, because when I drop more videos like this, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, to make something like what you just watched a moment ago, all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT, where we'll be generating our prompt. And the way I generated my prompt, I just tell ChatGPT how I want my prompt to be, so that ChatGPT will generate the prompt for me. So I wrote like this. I wrote to ChatGPT that I want you to generate me a prompt of a movie titled Beast of No Nation. I want the prompt I can use to generate the video using Google Veo 3, and on the scene I want the one should face the camera saying, "Omo, e no easy o. Everybody just dey fight for his life on how to live, how to survive. God help us all." And the other should be at his back, shooting gun at the enemies. Also, the camera should roll over where the enemies are shooting back. So this is what I give to ChatGPT to give me the prompt, and the ChatGPT just deliver. This is what the ChatGPT just gave me. As you can see, in a water jungle village, a young Nigerian man stands in the center of the battlefield facing the camera with a disc. So ChatGPT gave me this prompt. ChatGPT immediately gave me this prompt. And after it gave me the prompt, all I just have to do is just to copy the prompt and go over to this website. And I come to this website. I've talked about this website a lot. I've generated a lot of videos, as you can see. I've generated lots of videos from this website. I've talked about it on my previous videos before, on how you can generate videos using this website, how you can generate amazing talking videos using this website. I've talked about that on my previous videos. So if you want to learn more about that, go and check on this channel. You'll see a lot of videos which I've made on how you can use this platform, how you can also unlock it for free, that you'll be using it for 1 month and generate videos for yourself for free for 1 month. I've talked about that. So the next thing, all you just have to do is just to come to this place and you change this to text to video, and you also click here and you change this to this model. You change it to VO3. As you can see, you put it on VO3. Then after you put it on VO3, you paste your prompt. The prompt you just made right now from ChatGPT, you copy everything here. After you copy it here, you paste it here, and immediately you paste your prompt here, you are going to see this mark here. You click on it, and immediately you click the mark, is going to start generating your videos for you. And after you generate the videos, you are going to see your result just the way mine is. As you can see, let me take you guys to my library so that I'll show you guys the video. The video is generated for me after pasting that prompt. This is the video it generated for me. Let me take you guys to the video. As you can see, I've generated a lot of videos using the method I just show you right now. So if you don't understand, you can watch my previous videos which I teach on how you can use this prompt to generate videos for yourself. How you can use this website to generate videos for yourself. As you can see, this is the video. As you guys can see, this is the video. Now, as you can see, this is the video. I can still download it again. So let me play it. As you can see, this is the video. So that is how I make this video using this website. So if you want to learn more or you don't understand what I taught, you can comment in the comment section of this video and I'm going to reply to you. Or you can check on this channel. You see a lot of videos which I've teach you how you can start register on this website, and also how you can unlock this website and be using it for free for 1 month and be generating videos for yourself like this. I've teach a lot of things about this website. Check those videos in this channel. Go and watch it and learn more. Or if you have questions, you let me know in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video right now, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.